Welcome to Geeking Out with Shad. One thing that's super handy with this truck, and I almost didn't make a video while I was doing this, is I'm kind of doing a DIY fork mount for my bicycles. So I have these what are called Rocky mounts, and I'm going to mount them to some 2x4s on that board. And so I had to cut that board to size to fit right in here, and so it is like perfect. It doesn't slide forward and back, doesn't slide left and right. And then these little hooks, if for some crazy reason I hit a big bump or something and the front comes up, they're gonna catch the board, but that's unlikely. The weight of bikes on it, that doesn't be an issue, but just in case. So this is perfect, but in order to do it, I was using the 110 with my little what do you call these, jigsaw things. And the reason I use that instead of my regular circular saw is I wanted to get these little notches cut in to fit around this little bit of metal on both sides. So yeah, it fits perfect. But what's so cool is I don't even have the truck on. There's a thing called power mode, and you can set it, and you set it for how many hours that it runs. So you can run it for 1 hour, 2 hours, or whatever, and it just gives you this power available. And there's a 240 to I don't know what connector that is, but so actually 4 120s, because you get 2 outlets per channel, and then you get one of these in the front. I'll show you that. So if you come around here, you have one here, and yep, there's one there. So if you wanted to do, let's just say you wanted to there's cup holders here, which is kind of funny. Let's say you had an electric heat pad or something you wanted to use, you could cook something with that or whatever. So that's super slick, like the ability to have power without having to idle an engine. And that's important to me. Like, you can do this with a gas powered truck, but you have to have the engine idling and creating exhaust and, you know, using up gasoline and stuff like that while you access these power outlets. With this, you can have it all turned off, it's quiet, right? Versus like using a generator, right? And the truck isn't even on. Like, I was able to put it in the power mode and then turn the truck off, and it actually requires you to do that to use it. So that is just one more super nice thing about this truck, and I'm glad I remembered to do this quick little video about it. But you have these all these power outlets around the truck. There's even one airplane. There's even one inside, I think it's in the back seat, that can be used. So super cool. Appreciate your support for my channel. Please like and subscribe. Peace.